Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Melty Blood. We will start by understanding the fundamental controls and movement options available to every character. Learn to execute basic attacks like light, medium, and heavy hits, and how to chain them together. Mastering blocking and dodging is crucial for defense, allowing you to avoid incoming damage. Finally, we will briefly touch upon the unique moon styles that define each character's playstyle. Choosing the right character is your first step to victory, so pick one that resonates with your preferred fighting style. Next, explore the three distinct moon styles: Crescent, Half, and Full. Crescent Moon offers a balanced approach, while Half Moon focuses on aggressive, high-damage combos. Full Moon provides strong defensive options and access to powerful EX moves, giving you versatile strategic choices. Now, let's dive into mastering combos. Begin by practicing simple attack strings to link your hits seamlessly. Incorporate special moves into these combos for increased damage and unique properties. Learn the art of canceling normal attacks into special moves to extend your offensive pressure. Don't forget to utilize your powerful EX moves, which consume meter but deliver significant impact during crucial moments. Finally, let's refine your defensive strategies and explore advanced techniques. Master the shield mechanic to parry incoming attacks and create counter opportunities. Understand when to use a quick recovery after being knocked down to minimize your opponent's follow-up. Practice air dashing and double jumping for superior aerial mobility. Learning to read your opponent's patterns will significantly elevate your overall gameplay.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.